Now it's time to remove the tape around it because I added some glossifier and now it's dry. Let's see what the final product. Be careful when you're taking this out that you don't take out the plastic dip from the part you plastic dipped. So very slowly and carefully. Looking good. Let me not speak too soon, saying looking good. Oh, there you go. Pull it the opposite way and it peels off easier and safer. Let's see. So now I'm using the flashlight to see. Now I'm pulling it up. Now it came out clear and clean, like nice and clean and peeled off. There you go. Now the middle part is the hardest part, in my opinion. Let's see how it goes. I think I'm gonna leave that there till tomorrow.